We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss important questions for SSC CPO exam. To get this important update, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notifications. So today's first question is, World Toilet Day is celebrated every year on which of the following date? So this is celebrated on 19th November and the theme for 2019 World Toilet Day was Leaving No One Behind. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated every year on, so it is celebrated on 20th July. And this aims at increasing awareness about natural resources and protecting them. Next question. Nelson Mandela International Day is celebrated every year on, so it is celebrated on July 18th, which is also the birthday of Nelson Mandela. So next question. UN Day is celebrated on, it is celebrated on October 24th. Option A is the correct, as on this day 51 countries came together to sign a peace treaty. Next question. International Coffee Day is celebrated on which of the following date of a month? International Coffee Day is celebrated on 1st October and it started from 2015. That means the first coffee day was celebrated in 2015 and from then every year to promote coffee beverage. Next question. International Day for Disaster Reduction is observed on, so it is observed on 13th October and it was first observed in the year 1989 to promote global culture of risk awareness and disaster reduction. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. In which year was the first World Environment Day observed? So which year was the first World Environment Day? It is 1972 and the day is 5th June and the slogan that time was only one earth. That means we only have one earth, so save our environment. Next question. Which day is observed as World AIDS Day? Quite easy, it's 1st December and the first when it was observed in which year is 1987. Next question. When is Human Rights Day celebrated? Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th December, as on this day UN adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights at Paris, and this is after Second World War. So the correct answer is option C. Next question. The World Environment Day is celebrated on, like we discussed earlier, it is celebrated on June 5 in the year 1972. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Next question. Which of the following is observed as Sports Day every year? So Sports Day is celebrated to bring awareness about sports. On which day? It is 29th August. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Reading the following statement regarding the International Day of Women and Girls in Science, see which is correct. Like we need to say true or false. Choose the correct statement, it's given here. So let's see. A says this day is celebrated every year on 11th Feb. So this is correct. It is celebrated on 11th Feb every year. B says this day was declared by UNDP. UNDP is United Nations Development Program. No, it was not by UNDP, rather it was by United Nations General Assembly, that is UNGA. And C says the 2019 theme of the day focuses on education in science and technology to, okay, women, it's not S, yeah, women and girls. No, the theme was investment in women and girls in science for inclusive green growth. So this is false. So the only correct answer is A. So option C is correct, only A. Next question. On which date of a month World Television Day is celebrated? Okay, World Television Day is celebrated on 21st November, and this was first celebrated in 1996. Next question. World Heart Day is organized by the World Heart Foundation on which of the following date of a month? So the answer to this question is 29 September. World Heart Day is celebrated on 29 September. Next question. Several days are observed and events are specially organized specially to highlight environmental problem to create general awareness. Likewise, Earth Day is celebrated on which date and month in a year? Simply the question asks when is Earth Day celebrated? Okay, the Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. The World Consumers' Rights Day is celebrated across the world on, so this is celebrated on 15th March. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. International Tiger Day, which is celebrated to raise awareness for tiger conservation, is celebrated on which of the following date? Okay, the Global Tiger Day is celebrated on July 29th. Option A is the correct answer. Yeah. This is to raise the awareness about the magnificent but endangered big cats, that is tigers. As we know, the number of tigers are going down, so this day is celebrated. Next question. World Pneumonia Day is celebrated to highlight the seriousness of pneumonia as a public health issue and to encourage more nations to look on the ways of combating this disease. On which date it is celebrated? Okay, the question simply asks World Pneumonia Day is celebrated on, okay, it is celebrated on 12th November. This is to highlight the seriousness of pneumonia as a public health issue. Next question. World Heart Day is celebrated every year on. So as discussed earlier, it is celebrated on September 29th, and this is in order to create awareness on cardiovascular diseases, that is heart diseases. Next question and the last question. World Teachers Day is celebrated on. So if you think it's 5th September, no. In India, Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September, but World Teachers Day is celebrated on October 5, that is 5th October. And the theme for 2019 World Teachers Day was Young Teacher, the Future of Profession. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. So, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also have all the previous year paper for SSC exam like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Thank you.